Assalamu alaikum guys, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to another video, and this is gonna be a practice video for you. So I will pronunciate one sentence and after that I'll give you some seconds so you can practice it along with me. Okay, so let's start from the greeting. So how do we greet? We greet, hi there, how's it going? I'm doing wonderful, thanks for asking. How about you? Beautifully done. So let's start the sentence that we have repeated many times, that the first word that you learn is the one you heard the most. Pronunciate it right away. The first word that you learn is the one you heard the most. You got it? Wonderful. So I have written some more words, you could say, having the same rule applied, so you can practice those words as well. So actually we have discussed one more sentence as well, how to do the shorter form of different sentences. For example, if we want to say do you want to, we usually say diwana. So practice with me. Do you wanna learn English? Do you wanna learn English? Wonderful. So let's move forward with some more words. I have a few words having the same rule applied for the R sound, but you guys have to make the sentences as well. Okay. So I'll try to make some sentences with you as well. So the first word is horse. Horse. I like horse riding. The word is dark. While I entered the class, the room was dark. Burn. I like the burning fire. Cart. I saw a small cart over there. Card. Have you received my wedding card? My wedding not happening right away. That was just miss some sort of joke. So it is hard. How hard was your last class? It was not any hard. The word is mark. Let's say the sentences very quickly because I think the video is gonna be very large, so I don't want to bore you too much. So let's boost up the process. So it is herb